lead generation. Obviously, talking to a lot of people, a blind squirrel finds an acorn once in a while. If you're just stumbling around talking to a lot of people, somebody's bound to say, I have a house to sell, and there you are on the spot to do it. You're certainly more likely to get that if you position yourself as an expert. I think one of the opportunities of YouTube is I find when I go to network events and I introduce myself to real estate agents, I'll say, well, what do you do? Now, I already know you're a real estate agent. Well, I'm a realtor. Oh, great. Well, what do you sell? Well, I sell, and they'll name off, first-time home buyers, condos, townhomes, luxury homes, investment property, industrial, commercial, retail, bridges, and helipads. I'm like, no, but what do you do? Because if you don't do something really well, you're in big trouble in this business. That doesn't mean I only sell probate, though most of what I do is probate. But, when you meet me, you can't walk away without hearing the word probate a couple of times in a business setting. And because of that, when people think of probate, a number of them think of me. Whereas when you tell them that you do everything, you're just another realtor who does everything. And they know you don't do anything particularly well. So I don't know that you need to use YouTube for probate specifically. If your specialty is your geography, if I was Roger, I might think about, I don't know the answer, but the question in my mind is, would I want to be the probate expert or the expert of real estate in a smaller market if I could dominate it? I don't know the answer to that question. I certainly, if I was starting out as a real estate agent, would pick a geography to dominate. Maybe it's one building with 300 condos in it, or it's maybe one street with a couple condo buildings on it, or one small pocket of a couple hundred homes. But I would do videos about every single active listing, pending listing, sold listing in that area. And if you provide education information that people want, some of them will say to you, hey, I have a question. And that's really what opens the dialogue. So the obvious number one tool for social media and YouTube, the reason is lead generation. I hope you liked that video clip. If you want to see more clips from this interview, you can click here. If you see the whole interview, click here.